With only the Flow Super Cup final, the Manning Cup final, the DaCosta Cup final, and the Olivier Shield final to go in the 2017 schoolboy football season, I want to take the analysis out of the box this evening and say that going forward, the Manning Cup and the DaCosta Cup should be completed and the champions decided before the other competitions such as the Super Cup, the Walker Cup, and the Ben Francis Cup are completed. The ups and downs and the physical and emotional highs and lows from swinging from one competition to another, I think, detracts from all the competitions. As it is now, it is very difficult to maintain the same level of intensity and focus across all competitions. Most of the schools do not have the depth and quality to credibly compete in all of the competitions. If we continue what we're doing now, schools will have to start sacrificing or deliberately dropping out of some of the competitions in order to focus on the others. With the Manning Cup and the D Cup out of the way, the teams can refocus for the other titles and everybody gets their day in the sun. So we should finish the Manning Cup and finish the DaCosta Cup and then play for the Walker Cup, the Ben Francis, and end the season with the All-Ireland decider, the Olivier Shield and or the Super Cup. And speaking of Super Cup, big final tomorrow. States versus KC. You remember this? yes. And the Crystal Coconut. yes. And if I'm going to talk to me this evening, yes. Who going to win the Super Cup? The match is going to draw. Who going to win the Flow Super Cup? The match is going to draw. The match is going to draw. Who going to win the Super Cup? The match is going to draw. The match is going to draw. It now works good. The match is going to draw. Who going to win the draw? 1-1.